job. So let's edit the shape and designs there. So we will go to the selection and make the designs in front of you. Here we will change the color as well. So there we will make the further layers. Now we can move on these layers on the other sides. So there we will convert that into the 3D. For that purpose we will use a cone shape. So let's wait for creation of 3D cone design of that layer 1. So it's a cone design we have generated here. Change the color of it so that we can get its visibility. So there we will use it in this way. That's it. Thank you for watching.